Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Figma on Windows in a very simple way. How you can simply download it, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Figma download. Click enter, click on this Figma downloads option, and from here if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out the desktop app option. Here you can simply select desktop app for Windows, then going to get the download option, click on download, and it's about 145 MB. It will take some of seconds to complete. For that, keep your patience. After complete that, you can see your Figma setup.exe file is rightly downloaded. So if you now click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install Figma setup, run, and as you can see right now your Figma is rightly opened. You can simply log in with browser, click on that, just simply continue with Google, click on this Google Chrome website, click on this email and continue, and there will be a verification to start the puzzle. So yeah, you have to just complete the captcha and then you're going to get to log into Figma in a very simple way. So yeah, this is how we can simply download, install Figma in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.